One stormy night, Albert Einstein was conducting an experiment on a mysterious particle. Suddenly, a strange energy surged through him, transforming him into a ravenous ghost. Instead, he gathered knowledge and insights from their fears. Realizing that his new form conflicted with his scientific values, now a spectral figure, he wandered the city, haunting people but refusing to harm them. Einstein devised a way to reverse the transformation, returning to his human self with a newfound understanding of the human condition.